Gorgeous.
Oh, you cracked the screen on the front already, Tremaine? What happened?
No, that's the screen protector.
Oh,
Screen protector. It's
nice.
a cheap one, and I figure, well, if I'm gonna spend about any
blame
foot.
you.
Okay, roll, man.
All right.
Oh, you're gonna waste all your battery?
No, I thought about it. I'm like, what the fuck am I doing? This ain't. Nope. We ain't never do that.
Dude, you have to. That looks crazy.
Have you seen this roof?
Yes. I just looked at it. It looks fucking nuts. I think I'm gonna annihilate my drone trying it. Oh, it is scary. All right, power loop this crane outside here though.
Telling me that, Luke, I'm fucking going to town on these windows.
Oh, dude! Did you see it?
What was that?
We both hit each other. We went through the same window at the same time.
My battery must have got disconnected.
Oh, did you crash? I somehow didn't crash.
I got hit.
I think you hit the bottom of my drone.
And everything just went fucking black.
Are you right here?
Yeah, I'm over there somewhere.
You should.